I studied abroad for a year at the Polytechnic University of Catalonia in Barcelona, Spain.
So I took part in a virtual exchange program with the University of Florida. There was students from Newcastle and students from the University of Florida. We then were given a project with 3 case studies, and from the case studies we had to create a presentation about data ethics.
So I did an exchange program for 1 year, and I studied at the Technical University of Munich.
So I went to Cyprus on an outreach trip, and we did some teaching in some schools out there.
I believe the maths department was extremely helpful. We had weekly Zoom meetings to discuss how we were doing.
I communicated mostly with Lee Fawcett, who is the Global Dean for Mathematics at the Maths, Stats and Physics department. He was really helpful, was really passionate about global opportunities, worked around any issues. If I said I wanted to do this, I really had faith that he would make it possible.
The school that I was in, mainly in Paralimni, it was year 8s and 9s, I think, but then in a school in Newcastle there was some year 7s as well. It was very nice to see. There was one pupil in particular who was really enthusiastic to come in and see us each day, and we'd given them little homework tasks to do each night, and she had made lots of effort in it. It was really nice to see that she was so excited to bring them in the next day.
I think my favourite thing was probably the people I met. It's a really international city, Barcelona, and I've made lots of Latin friends, which really helped improve my Spanish. I had a bit of basic Spanish before I left, and now I'm basically fluent. I can understand everything, say most of the things I'd like to say. I also made lots of non-Spanish speaking friends through Erasmus, and so now it's really nice. I have lots of friends in cities all around Europe.
So I've actually got a place on a teacher training course for next year, and not many people that have applied after speaking to my interviewers had any international experience in teaching, so that just looked great.
I think I've definitely developed as a person, purely because it's working on skills that you do need, which are presentation skills and working as a team and working with people and commenting on other people's presentations and being constructive about that. And definitely to have a name like University of Florida on your CV is something really rewarding. That was definitely a major reason why I did it, and I really think I benefited from that for sure.
I believe every single mathematics student should do a study year abroad, as it allows the student to make international relationships and explore a new side of themselves that they've never explored before.